Mabhalanelo omkhulu etikweni letemfundo umnumzane Bhekthemba Gama akhuluma ke kulo msebenzi kokuhlomelisa bona ke abantwana besikole labahlabeni kumncintiswane wokubhala incwadi ubhalele isihlobo sakho usatise ngokuthi ingabe wena yini lokufundzile noma ke lokutholile kuso lesikhathi seCovid-19. Gama uthithe lo mncintiswane lona ke udlala ichaza lelikhulu kakhulu kulandela ukuthi abantwana bebasoloke bahleli ke emakhaya. Kanti lo mncintiswane ke uniketela abantwana lithemba nokuthi kube khona ke labakwendako basesehleli khona ke emakhaya. Waphindze wabonga tonke ke inhlangano letisekele lo msebenzi ngetimali nangetipho.
And give these young people something to do while they're at home. We give them an opportunity to express their creativity through the art of writing. Those of us who grew up a long time ago, writing was our way of communicating. Nang balong was at Lano, so we'll be there, 15 or next month. Maybe 4, and I will be there and hoping and praying that the person got that letter and expecting me.
Umphathi wenhlangano lelawula texhumana lapha ke even lakangwani eSicom umnumzane Mvilawembe Dlamini uthi ke uyakholelwa ukuthi lo mncintiswane lona uniketele abantwana lithuba ukuthi bafunze izinto letinsha lokufaka ekhathi kusentshenziswa kwalo ke liposti ke lembane kulandela ukuthi le incwadi bekufuna batibhale bese batifaka kulo liposti ke lembane lokwenda ukuthi abantwana kube khona ke izinto letinsha ke labatfundzako basangenela wona ke lo mncintiswane.
The letter writing competition is a brilliant initiative of upskilling young people with the art of letter writing, an art that some of us from the older generations grew up on and perfected over time, as the letter was the most used mode of communication. The letter writing competition also provides an opportunity to present the important role played by the postal services in our society. Ladies and gentlemen, I have no doubt, therefore, that this exercise was exciting for our young people as they got to learn more about the postal services available near them, and the excitement of going through the process followed when one is posting a letter, which I believe was a first time for many.
Sibusiso Simelane bekatsi yakhulumela ke inkampani yaka Macmillan uthi tebona ke bayinkampani yaka Macmillan bayawuthanda lo mncintiswane lona kulandela ukuthi bona ke batimisele ngokuthi basekele bona ke bantfu ke labane likhona ke lokubhala ngoba kubonakala ukuthi esikhathini lesengcile bantfu ke labane likhona ke lokubhala kubonakala shengathi bantfu labanetinkinga.
So for us it's an initiative aimed at grooming local authors. Also, this generation is technologically savvy, which helps us deeper some of the stereotypes associated with authorship.
Labahambe embili kule mncintiswane bebekade bathola wona ke ema-laptops bobhaki ema-juice box nalokunye ke lokuningi lokuchanga khona ke ka-UNICEF naka Macmillan. Etindzabeni temsakato iye Maswati Channel ngingeri Carlos nacela Mpilo Dlamini sekumathapha.